Hello, my lovelies. I have a new box to the channel. It's called Try the World. It is a gourmet snack and treat box that you can get on a monthly basis or a multi-month basis. There are 3 sizes to the box. You can get a box, the small size is 7 to 9 snacks. The medium box is 12 to 14. And then there's a large box with 17 to like 22 snacks. They sent me the medium size box. Comes just like this. Actually, it came in a bigger cardboard box. I got, I'm thinking the medium-sized box because there's 13 snacks in here, and this is what it looks like. I haven't touched anything. The cool thing about this company is you can tell them the countries you want to snack from, and there are a ton of countries. Think Spain, England, Brazil, South Korea, Russia, all sorts of companies that you can get snacks from. And I have an assortment of snacks from all sorts of countries. So I can't say, this is a box from India, with, snacks just from India, because this is a wide assortment of snacks. So let's go through it all. I do have a bunch of codes. I think if I get this posted on Monday, there is a Black Friday, Monday sale with 30% off. I'll leave all the codes down below. And then after today, I believe it's like 20% off. So there's all sorts of deals. I'll leave the links down below. Okay, so let's look at the first snack. It is called Merengados. Merengados. It is a cookie with a strawberry filling. It looks really delicious, and it's a vanilla flavored sandwich cookie with strawberry filling. And this is from I have no idea, it doesn't even say. Argentina. So that's the first item. Then I got some Choose Me's. These are a tangy turtle gummy candy with a sour center. And this one is from Puerto Rico. So if you've been to Puerto Rico, you might have seen this there. I've been to Puerto Rico, but I don't remember. I don't remember if I saw that. And this is Totis Donitas. It's a chili and lime flavored wheat snack. And I'm thinking also this is probably from, and this is a product says of Mexico. So sounds good to me. Then we got some jelly PSEs. These are chocolate coated jellies in a candy shell, ceviche. And this is from, these might be from Mexico. I don't know. But yeah, there's a lot of sweets in there with chocolate, Belgium chocolate and jelly, coated shells. Can't go wrong with that. Then we got some lychee gummy candies, and it's very clear that this is a product of Japan. I love me some gummies, and I haven't had a leche in a long time. It's been years. Can't say I have had that. Then we got a roasted seaweed snack. This is obviously, it says Korean, so this is from South Korea. Love me some seaweed, nice and salty and low in calories, only 30 calories for this little thing. Then, this is my favorite. I have been to Puerto Rico and had the Dominican Republic. This is a very popular coffee in the DR, and I can make a whole pot of me Cafe Santo Domingo. Love this stuff. I can vouch for this. Then we got some Chocolinas, chocolate flavored cookies from where? I have no idea. Don't know. All it does says is contains bioengineered food ingredients not for sale in California. Eesh. I don't know about that, guys, but I don't think it's gonna kill you. So these are the cookies. And we got some more cookies. These are from SL Technology Euro Cream with strawberry filling. And these look to me to be from Switzerland. This is from Switzerland. Looks very good. Chocolate filling. Did I say strawberry? I said chocolate filling. Yummy. And we got another candy. This is black licorice. My husband is a huge black licorice guy, and this is all for him because I don't like black licorice, but he will. So I was very rudely interrupted because my camera ran out of memory and storage, so I had to delete a whole bunch of stuff. I should have deleted my deletes and I wouldn't have run into that problem. So I was showing, before I was interrupted, these two candies from Brazil. This one's from Argentina, this one's from Brazil. And I'm sure maybe I'll get a little bite of something. And then the last thing in the box is this Pascaville drink. It looks like a guava nectar. It is actually a product of Egypt. It says shake well, product of Egypt. So I'm gonna love this. I'm gonna try this on ice after I finish this video. So that is it. We got some Santo Domingo literature and a wine voucher, which I never use these things, and an empty box with a bunch of little things in it. So that is the Try the World subscription box. I'll leave all the information in the description box if you want to try it out. There's some cool codes. And if I get this up on Monday, I will give you the 30% off code. And other than that, new codes will be 20% off. But just click the links and you'll see the codes and you want to buy it. Thank you, Try the World, for sending me this for my honest review. It's a great snack box. There's plenty of things here to put some calories on my middle and rot my teeth. No, it's really a sweet box and I appreciate you sending it to me. But I will be brushing my teeth. I will see you all in the next video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and a subscribe is always nice. Always appreciate it. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.